Hey, this is Steve from B&M. Today I'm happy to introduce our new B&M braided dipstick for the 09 and current Ford truck and SUVs equipped with a 6R80 transmission. But please check our website for more details. Now these are made from stainless steel, you got the anodized fittings, and it's 100% direct bolt-on. Also, it's backed up by a lifetime limited warranty. Now on these 6R80 transmissions, unfortunately there is no dipstick in the engine bay to check the transmission fluid. So if you're hauling or towing or you're simply on a road trip and you want to check that transmission fluid, the B&M dipstick is going to help you out. This will allow you to check the transmission fluid inside the engine bay like normal. Now, the tools for the job are a drill with a Phillips bit, 19mm wrench, and 2 7/8 wrench. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm going to get this installed in this Ford F-150 Raptor here. Okay, we're in the shop today. We have a 2011 Ford F-150 Raptor equipped with a 6R80 transmission. We're going to get this thing up in the air. Okay, so we're underneath our Ford Raptor here, and we have this 6R80 transmission. Now, in order to check the fluid on these transmissions factory, you got to pull this little dipstick off. You simply unscrew this, check your fluid level, then you put this back in. We're going to go ahead and replace this guy with the B&M dipstick. Okay, first, before removing the dipstick, you want to start your vehicle and leave it in park, then go ahead and remove the dipstick. If not, fluid will leak out if it's not running. Okay, we got the vehicle running. We're going to go ahead and remove the factory dipstick. We're going to go ahead and put on the adapter and get this new braided dipstick put in. Now you got to watch out, the cat is right here, so it's going to be really hot. Okay, so we got the factory dipstick out of the vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and put on the adapter and make sure you put some Teflon tape on the threads. This will help seal it up. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this nut, remove the dipstick, and now we're gonna go ahead and take the hose and we're gonna go ahead and push it up. Now we'll go ahead and screw it onto the adapter. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and tighten down the hose to the adapter. Okay, we got the adapter installed. We got the braided hose installed. Now we're going to go down with the vehicle and go into the engine bay. Once the vehicle is safely on the ground, be sure to turn off your engine. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and unscrew the actual dipstick from the mounting bracket. Just pull this off. Now we're going to go ahead and mount this onto the firewall. Okay, you can see our dipstick hose is right here. Now we're going to go ahead and mount the mounting bracket onto the firewall. We're going to mount it right here on this flat surface. Now you can either mount this, straight up and down like so, or we're going to go ahead and mount this at a 45-degree angle. So we're going to be able to pull the dipstick out and be able to check that fluid. Now with the supplied self-tapping screws, go ahead and bolt this down to your firewall. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and screw it down to the firewall. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and install the hose now onto the mounting bracket. It screws right here in the bottom. Now I'll go ahead and put the dipstick in. And there we go. Okay, now in order to check your transmission fluid, you want to have your vehicle running and in park, and then you want to have the dipstick unthreaded from the housing here, and then you want to be able to pull it out, wipe it clean, and then go ahead and clear this all the way down. Then go ahead and pull your dipstick, check your fluid, and once you're done, go ahead and screw it down. Okay, that concludes our installation here on our new B&M braided dipstick for the 6R80 transmission. Now you can see this was an easy installation, only took about 25 minutes. And this is a nice feature to have, especially when I'm on the road hauling or towing. I'm able to check my transmission fluid. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. This kit is covered by B&M's lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment, giving you peace of mind. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.